how are we great? How can we become great? And how can we stay great? Become great, stay great, and be on the path of Sirat al-Mustaqim. How? It is a question that every parent wants to know how they can make their children successful. Wallah, in this temporary world, if you want success, then success is with Muhammad and Ali Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. If we do not bring our children onto the path of Ahlul Bayt alayhi salatu wasalam, then how can we be certain that they are successful? We all know the hadith that Haqq is with Ali and Ali is with Haqq. Al-Haqqu ma Ali wa Ali ma'ul Haqq. Does that only mean that if we want to be on Haqq, we just believe that Ali is Haqq? But for you to be on Haqq, you need to believe that whatever your Mawla, your Master, your Imam has said, that is Haqq. If he has said that be on the path of Ahlul Bayt by following whatever Ahlul Bayt have said, then you need to believe that with your heart. You need to show that through your actions, through the way you speak, through the way you deal with other people, through your relationships with other people, the way you walk, the way you move, the way you interact with other people should be all according to the teachings of Muhammad and Ali Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. Come to the path of Ahlul Bayt. Come to the door of Ahlul Bayt. Gain ma'rifat of Ahlul Bayt and see how through their love you can change yourselves. How through their ma'rifat you can change yourselves. Because you can only change yourselves if you want to change. If you are coming to Shab-e Jummah and you have no intention of changing yourself, then no matter how much you say Ali, Ali, no matter how much you say Hussain, Hussain, if you do not want to change yourself, then nothing about you will change. The first thing is that when you come to the door of Ahlul Bayt, lower yourself. Think that you are nothing. And then see how Ahlul Bayt's love increases your darajat. How you will become a better person through their intercession and through their wasila and through their mawaddat and muhabbat. You will become the best person in your household. And every single person should always aim to become the best. And that can only be done through Ahlul Bayt alayhi salatu wasalam.